the Dawson Creek Walmart last night. Yes, there was plenty of RVers here last night. And we met some of our followers from YouTube. They came over from Grand Prairie. We had dinner. It was fantastic. We loved meeting Paul and Lauren. They are great folks. All right, down the road we go. We're gonna stop first and get water, and we're gonna show you here in Dawson Creek for free.
Here's our free city dump. They have a sign out front here. I don't know. I guess it doesn't matter which way you go in.
That's pretty sweet, y'all.
It says entrance right here. Oh, that's to there. I had no entrance sign up here. Either way. Oh, they got trash dumpsters here.
Oh, that's great. That's nice too. Trash dumpsters.
Water and sewer dump, all free, provided by the city
Of Dawson Creek. Nice. Look at that. Potable water. Somebody can come in the other gate. This is awesome.
Very nice. Wow. Very, I am so impressed. Wow. This is a small town doing the best. Wow.
Yeah. Pretty sweet.
Very sweet.
What'd you say the address was again?
It's Avenue 115, and the address is 212?
Yes, 212.
Yeah.
It's about middle ways down a dirt road.
Almost to the end.
Just left out of Dawson Creek. We're on the Alaskan Highway heading northwest towards Fort Nelson. This is the industrial section. We'll see how well this road holds up. It's pretty good right now in town. Well, on the outside of town. Okay, here we go. On the outskirts of Dawson Creek, going towards Alaska, we're in farm country. Cattle country. I'm not sure we're going to see any animals today besides cows. We'll see. Okay, we have a question. What are the red and white striped poles? Put it in the comment for us, please. Here's fireman. huge rest area over here on the side. Lots of parking. Well, y'all, this would be a beautiful, beautiful drive if there wasn't so much smoke. Mr. Childers, explain why there's so much smoke.
We think there's been some fires up here, but most of the smoke's coming from Alberta, where the big forest fires are at. There's like 10 or 13 of them burning down there, and some of them they ain't got no control on at all. But the winds from the last couple days have been coming out of the southeast. Now we're northwest of that, so it's blowing all the smoke up here.
It's terrible. And this is the Alaskan Highway.
Yep.
And it's not as bad as everyone was telling us it would be. So far.
So far.
Now we just passed Pink Mountain back there, where there was a racetrack fuel stop. $2, well, almost $2 a liter. It was $1.89.
No, $1.95 a liter.
Oh, it changed. Wow.
$1.95 a liter, and gas is $1.85 a liter.
Whew,
So
that's...
the math on that is 3.7 liters to a gallon. So do your math on that. It's deep.
Yeah. A little pricey.
We didn't get any.
So, that's why our guys got extra fuel to carry with us, just in case we ran into that kind of thing.
Yeah, we can pass it up.
Here you go. Yep. You should be able to see a mountain in front of us, but not with that smoke.
Too much smoke.
So we'll catch you when this clears up. Alright, y'all, this is called Bucking Horse at mile marker 175. We thought there would be fuel here, but there's no fuel. I suggest that you fuel up in Taylor before you get on this stretch of the highway, unless you want to pay $2 a liter. Big boy.
Putting on some fuel. This place here, their fuel systems are out of service. They're redoing them. They're going to be redoing them. So they're going to add fuel tanks in about a month. That's like a couple weeks, supposedly, the guy said.
Right. When it starts to get really busy up here.
Yeah, they got fuel tanks coming. Right now they don't have any.
Great.
They got fuel for their stuff. That's it.
But that's why we have these cans with fuel in them.
Yeah. I'm still right at a half tank, but my tank is bigger than Daryl's.
Yeah.
I got a 38-gallon tank on this thing. So that's really good for me. He's throwing a quarter of a tank, so he's going to add another. Fort Nelson's the next fuel stop.
Okay. And it should have plenty. That's a bigger town.
That's over 100 miles.
Okay.
So now with this, we'll make 100 miles.
Okay, this is the roughest of the road that we've come on so far. Part of it is gravel, and it's a little rough, but not too bad. Not too bad at all.
That was a rock slide area back there. Where
Yes.
It was all, they had to come in and redo it all.
So you will come upon some of that stuff. We're in Fort Nelson. We have to get fuel. We have to bite the bullet because that's the average price here in Fort Nelson. So it is what it is. This is a Chevron right off of the Alaskan Highway.
Stop for lunch here at Tim Hortons in Fort Nelson, British Columbia, on the Alaskan Highway. So evidently at Tim Hortons, they give you your donut.
Chocolate, huh?
Chocolate upside down.
Like
Your chocolate donut upside down. That's right, Kim. I think my chocolate donut
It's stuck to the bottom of the bag.
I want to know there, Tim Horton, is this normal? Because I don't think I'm going to order one of these the next time.
Yeah, this came with a meal deal. You get if you order a meal deal at Tim Hortons, you get your sandwich or whatever it is you ordered, plus a donut, plus a soda.
Yeah.
That's the meal deal. And look, all of his chocolate is not even on it. It's on the bottom of the bag.
No. Do they do this all the time at Tim Hortons?
I don't know.
My Canadian friends need to let me know.
Exactly, because that's not cool. But Daryl volunteered to lick the bag.
Yeah. Okay, Tim Horton. I'm going to give you another shot with another donut before I get out of Canada.
Is that donut good?
Yeah. I just wish my chocolate was on my donut. It's in the bag. Oh, well. We'll give him another shot.
Yeah, we're learning, y'all. We're learning. All right. On the road again.
It's big.
Bison on the highway.
Bison on the highway.
Oh, my.
Muncho's supposed to be a pretty good place to go at that lake.
Oh, boy.
Yeah, that might be where we want to stop.
Stay tuned, y'all.
A big old black bear up here. Yeah, boy.
There he is. There's the bear. I caught a bear. We're here at a rest area. There's still snow on the ground. It's a little chilly outside. I've got a light jacket on. We have gray skies, lots of smoke in the air. And there are mountains in front of us, but as you can see, they're not very visible. This is a gravel lot, but hey, it's good for tonight because it's free. And the traffic will not be bad because most people do not travel this highway at night because of the critters.
Down underneath.